eBASE Africa is a multinational charity organization with headquarters in Bamenda Cameroon. We improve livelihoods through the use of innovation and best practices for the underserved population, including girls, women, people with disability, and indigenous population. We focus on basic services such as health, education, agriculture, local governance, and water and sanitation. Our activity cuts through the evidence ecosystem, including generation, synthesis, translation, and implementation. Our values are empathy, curiosity, community involvement, and performance. Our work expands to Niger, Chad, Rwanda, and Nigeria.
At eBASE Africa, we get research evidence into policy, practice, and households for basic services. This makes day-to-day practices more effective, thereby creating a better world where our daily actions are more impactful and less harmful. We do this by working with policymakers to facilitate evidence-informed decision-making, with practitioners to ensure that they do evidence-based practices, and with households for them to be able to choose options that work in their daily lives. In business as usual, policies, programs, and practices are rolled out with little consideration of research recommendation, even though there is relevant research evidence to the African context. The trouble is, this evidence may exist in scientific jargon and may be in non-digestible formats for policymakers, practitioners, or households.
In one of our projects, the WACA project, we use best available research evidence to increase access to finance, basic services, and markets for people living with disability, using feasible, appropriate, meaningful, and effective interventions within the evidence portal. Through this project, we were able to create market channels for people with disability, advocate for policies to be evidence-informed, and increase bonding within households and communities of children living with disability, thereby impacting on over 100,000 children with disability.
Using research evidence ensures that government policies, development agency programs, and household practices are feasible, appropriate, meaningful, and effective. At eBASE, together with our global partners, we provide training, coaching, and guidance in the production and in the use of research evidence. We provide you with tools that you need to go through your journey in the evidence ecosystem. Are you a policymaker, a development agency, a civil society organization, an NGO, or a practitioner with a desire to make the work that you do more meaningful and effective? Talk to us at eBASE. We will work with you to get research evidence into the work that you do, thereby making your work more impactful